In this video, we're fixing a plastic finger massager, and it's a somewhat flexible piece of plastic, but you can see all the cracks coming off at least 3 of the edges. In this case, I'm using the E6000 adhesive, which is pretty strong and flexible, and the hope here is at least I can kind of capture and contain and limit some of that cracking from perpetuating. It's not a great fix, but I'm working in the adhesive into those cracks. That's why I'm kind of jiggling it there to try to make sure I get them in there. Also, a possible solution would have been to do some plastic welding and try to, bond the area, or at least stop it at the ends of the crack to kind of perpetuate, or at least prevent the perpetuation of the crack. But in this case, there was no time, and it's kind of a stinky operation to weld plastics indoors, so we're sticking with the adhesive for now. And here you see I'm just using a little straw to help kind of spread the surface adhesive out so it's not a big lump on there, just trying to smooth it out. And that's basically it for this fix. If you have similar type of plastic situations, you can try to, use some adhesive to hold it, assuming that the adhesive is plastic safe. In some cases, you may want to consider plastic welding.